How to purchase from StockX. So the first step is to simply go to StockX or simply download their official app on your mobile device. Now, after you do that, you're gonna have to simply create a free account. It's very simple to create your account. Now, once you create your account, you're gonna have to simply look for the items that you need and then simply click on it, and then you're gonna have the option to buy it. So as you can see, I can buy this for $230, so click on it, and now of course you're gonna have to choose the size. So basically on StockX you're gonna find different sizes and different prices. So this is basically a marketplace. This is like trading and things like that. People are making a living out of this. So you're gonna have to simply choose your size and then simply enter your payment method. Here, as you can see, I have my debit card, so you can add your debit, PayPal or Google Pay or whatever. Here you're gonna have a lot of payment methods that you can choose from. Then simply add your address and then simply click on review order and then simply place your order, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.